keeping busy eyes, bleeding stones, with his machinations and his palindromes. Anything but hear the voice, anything but hear the voice, anything but hear the voice that says that we're all basically alone. Poor Professor Pynchon had only good intentions when he put his Bunsen burners all away. Turned to a playground in a petri dish with single cells that swing their fists at anything that looks like easy prey. This nature's show that rages every day, it was then he heard his intuition say we were all basically alone, despite what all the studies had shown. There was mistaken for closeness, it's just a case for mitosis. But why do some show no mercy while others are painfully shot? And tell me, doctor, can you quantify? 'Cause he just wants to know the reason why. Congregate in groups of four, scatter like a billion spores, or let the wind just carry them away. How can kids be so mean? Our famous doctor tried to glean as he went home at the end of the day. In this nature's show that rages every day, yes, then he heard his intuition say we were all basically alone. Despite what all the studies had shown, that what's mistaken for closeness is just a case for mitosis. I should fatal doses when tend to osmosis. But why? Why do some show no mercy while others are painfully shy? Tell me, doctor,